Special provisions are a regular feature of our Constitution. I don't want to take your lordships through this, but these special provisions exist, without which, my lord, so much could not be done for the SC, ST or the OBCs.
More classic example of abuse of power than this.
Now, my lord, if this can be done under President's rule, anything can happen. In our case, my lord, the Legislative Council is gone. Well, actually the whole of the JK Constitution is impliedly gone.
Not only a legal thing for me, it's for majority of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, it's an emotional issue.
Article 370 can be amended, subject to the caveat in CO 48 that all amendments relating to JK must follow the procedure in Article 370 subclause 1. It is not enough in 273 says all treaties are out and the Constitution is gone. How can a Constitution disappear like this, my lord? Many federations, my lord, have two state constitutions, and JK, because of its nature, my lord, did.
Example of abuse of power than this. Lord, as Chief Justice Pope said, Lord, way back when the fight began with the king, that Lord, king can do everything except of making a man a woman and a woman a man. Lord, surely President could not have, Lord, exercised these powers under 373, assuming himself to be everything. What, Lord, yes, Lord, has been pointed out at great pains and very brilliantly, that Lord, 356 is a temporary provision. Now, Lord, 356 being a temporary situation, can you take actions which are permanent, Lord, or permanency, or permanent in nature? Forget anything else. Because Lord, 356 itself says that everything that you have done in the interregnum will come to an end. And maximum period for which you can exercise 356 is 3 years. So, Lord, to do this, Lord, in my respectful submission, it really strikes at the very basic, Lord, features of our Constitution. Democracy, federalism.
The proviso which says that before anything is done under Article 3, it is mandatory for the President to refer the bill to the legislature. Mandatory. It's a condition precedent before you invoke Article 3. Just as there are conditions in Article 370 which have to be fulfilled by condition precedent. In our case, my lord, the Legislative Council is gone. Well, actually the whole of the JK Constitution is impliedly gone. Where was the power to do away with that? But that's another question that I'll come to. It undermines not just federalism, my lord, but democracy itself. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, Anglo-Indians, etc. Special provisions are a regular feature of our Constitution. I don't want to take your lordships through this, but these special provisions exist, without which, my lord, so much could not be done for the SC, ST or the OBCs.
Yes.
Now, my lord, this singular aspect of Indian federalism, to have a separate constitution for a state. For others, you gave autonomous regions, you bound them together, you expanded it. But this, can the JK Constitution of 1957 be wished away by an amendment to CO 272, 273 and Article 3? It simply can't, my lord. So one of the big losses is, where is it? It's like Macbeth, the Thane of Fife, he had a wife, where is she now? JK had a constitution. Where is it now? Has it been subsumed by 273?